Okay, we have a lot to cover in a short amount of time. Are you with me? First, properly using a car seat is the best way to protect your child in a crash. Second, it's the law here in Colorado. Parents and caregivers are responsible for properly restraining children under 15 and will be ticketed if they fail to do so. So, let's talk about seat fit. Roughly, it goes like this. Newborns to 3-year-olds go in a rear-facing seat. This protects their head, neck, and spine. Kids aged 2 to 5 go in a forward-facing seat. Kids age 4 all the way up to 12 can use a high back booster or backless booster depending on their size, height, and weight. It's important to note that kids can use a seatbelt if they're big enough. Sometimes that's not until age 12. Got all that? We hope so. Next, let's cover some basic installation. This may seem obvious, but first and foremost, the car seat must be attached to the vehicle. This can be done using anchors or the belt, but never both. The tethers are important too. That brings me to my next point, which is each car seat is slightly different. Make sure that you read your car seat's owner's manual and your vehicle's owner's manual to understand the parts and tips used for installation. Head to carseatscolorado.com to find an inspection station near you to ensure your car seat is properly installed.
In addition to installation issues, there's other mistakes parents are frequently making regarding safely restraining their kids. Number 1, turning around a rear-facing seat too soon. 2, using harness straps that are too loose. 3, moving your kid out of a booster seat too soon. And 4, using car seats that are expired. Expired car seats are dangerous. Every seat has an expiration date. If it is not printed on the seat, check with the manufacturer. And finally, remember to never use a car seat that has been in a crash. And don't use a car seat if you don't know its full history. All of this information is vital for your child's safety. Car Seats Colorado is dedicated to keeping our kids safe on Colorado roadways.
With certified technicians and inspection stations, multilingual guides, installation information, and the latest law updates, carseatscolorado.com is your go-to website for your child's safety.